I'm gonna head in a wood cabin up in the woods. So as you can see, I have finally arrived. Oh, nice and cozy. Oh, I can see myself relaxing in this bed. Of toasted bread with salad. I have found a hidden treasure. Look at this place. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's video is all about winter coming back upstate New York. So we thought spring was coming. We had snowbells all around and nice cute flowers. But no, apparently winter is tricking us again. So I'm gonna head in a wood cabin up in the woods to relax a bit for a day, gather my thoughts together, and just be myself again. And yeah, let's go there. I'll see you soon. So as you can see, I have finally arrived at my destination and I'm so excited to go inside and see how it looks like. And I invite you to join me inside. Oh, this is tricky. Okay. This looks so nice. It's so beautiful in here, so cozy. It's nice and warm. I have a kitchen and this bed. Look at this bed, just for me. Oh, nice and cozy. Oh, I can see myself relaxing in this bed after a nice warm shower. Cannot wait. So what I want to do now, I just want to present you this place. So as you come from the door, you can see outside. I'll go outside and show. Actually, let's start outside. So this is the porch where I came from. This porch has got some tables and chairs and a grill. You can see the forest is right behind, and look at this stunning view. I'm not sure if the light is good for it, but I just want to show you what a beautiful place this is. And the forest is right behind. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. And let's just go inside. As you come from the door, there is a cozy sofa right here. Table with a TV, I hope it works. It's supposed to have Wi-Fi. I have a cooker, microwave, sink. Basically, all the basic needs that someone has. Huge bed just for me. A closet here in the corner. And a bathroom. And that's it. See you soon. So I went a little bit outside and I explored the surroundings, and because it's so cold and it's still snowing a bit, I got chills. So I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea. You know, it goes perfect with the surroundings. So let's make some tea. Oops. I love lemon, so with the winter season, I like to be a bit greedy. And I added 2 slices of them, and now let's add some honey to the tea. And again, I have a sweet tooth, so I'm generous with the honey. It feels so nice and cozy and relaxing to be here and to enjoy my cup of tea. So I'm just getting ready to take a shower, nice warm shower, and then relax, have something to eat, and then take an afternoon nap. Well deserved. Just finished the best shower I ever had, and now I'm trying to just make myself look nice a little bit. This is a new product that I just purchased these days, a few days ago, It's a tinted moisturizer, so basically it should take the color of my skin, act as a moisturizer, and at the same time act as a foundation. So let's see how it looks like and if I'm not going to wash myself again after that. So that's it. I arranged my face a little bit. Now what I want to do is make myself something to eat because I'm starving, and then I will probably head out for another hike and we'll take it from there. Now my big plan is to make myself some tuna salad after a recipe that one of my good friends taught me. I'll show you the final result, but let's get to it. So this is the final result. This is a cold spreadable salad. So I say spreadable because I have some multigrain bread, sliced bread, which I'm gonna put in the toaster and have a really delicious meal. This is how it looks like, and it's absolutely delicious. So this is my sliced bread. It's brown bread with different kind of seeds, and it's also multi-grain, multi-seed bread. Let's wait. So my spreadable salad is ready and my toast is ready. And now I'm going to have these 2 slices of toasted bread with salad. I haven't had this in a while, and I really miss it. Way too good. The good thing about this salad is that it's packed with protein and vegetables and vitamins. The only downside is the mayonnaise, and as you already know, the people that are following all of my videos, is that I'm not a huge fan of the mayonnaise bought in the store. I like to make my own. However, with this kind of salad, homemade mayonnaise, not so good, but once in a blue moon, it's worth taking a shot. Oh my God. So as soon as I finish my my meal, I'm planning on going outside for a hike, obviously, you know, with a full tummy. it's the best thing to do. The good thing about it is also that the weather has improved. There is no more snow, snow outside as well. So it's just the perfect time for hiking, and I'll take you with me. I have found a hidden treasure. Look at this place. Absolutely stunning. I know it's not that big, but I feel like I'm on top of the world. Look how beautiful it is. So I would like to end today's video in this absolutely stunning place. And thank you all again for watching me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you all for that already have done so. And thank you to all my future subscribers again. Please don't forget to like and share and also subscribe. That will help me make more videos like this one and to show you more beautiful place from here upstate New York.